I made $8,350 in just 1 month with this done for you system. And yes, you can do it too. Here's the surprising thing. I didn't know a thing about digital marketing when I started. I just knew that I needed extra income. And somehow this simple system showed up in the right time, exactly when I needed it, and then turned into a business that I actually love. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it worked, how I began to learn and earn as I went. And one thing that made it possible for someone like me over 65 to actually learn to earn income online. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I've been exactly where you are, wanting more income and time without the overwhelm. Now I'm here to help you build digital success and the confidence to make it happen. When I first saw this system, I thought, it seems simple, but how does it actually work? I was so confused about how it actually worked. I also desperately needed something to work. So I was willing to take a chance and I decided to take a leap, and I have never regretted it. This was a complete done for you digital program, website, email automations, and program all built into one. All I had to do was follow the steps and plug in my details. One thing I learned was that this digital program was in high demand. People were looking for it and they wanted it. It was already proven to sell and selling, which meant all I had to do was simply connect with people. People just like me who were looking for a way out of the daily grind, who were looking for extra income, and who were looking for a solution to be able to retire in the lifestyle that they desire. Like magic, I covered my investment with my very first sale that very first week. And I didn't have a clue what I was doing. Every sale after that was 100% profit. And that's how I ended up doing $8,350 in 1 month. Now I can see how this digital marketing side gig could be the answered prayer I was looking for. If you've been hesitating because you think you're going to have to build everything by yourself, then this is perfect for you. It's a business in a box, and all you have to do is plug in and start learning and earning as you go. You're going to see earning online in a whole new light. If you're thinking, okay, that makes sense, but I need to see how it all fits together, then grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact guide that I used when I started, and it breaks it all down step by step. Here's the part that really surprised me. I was earning before I finished learning. This is not what they teach us in regular school. You go to college, you get a degree, and then you can start earning. In this process, you start earning as soon as you get registered to sell the digital products at 100%. And then you learn and earn as you go. This program is actually designed as a learn and earn system. I could take the training at my own pace while my business was automatically running and live in the background. I remember launching my business with one single post. In that single post, over 75 people asked for more information. I got my first sale before the end of that day, and many more followed after that. Even at just a few hours a week, the income started coming in. You don't have to have it all figured out when you start. You just need to have this proven system that is going to guide you step by step along the way every single day. Are you ready to learn more about how this all fits together, or have more questions than what I've answered so far? Then grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact guide that I used when I started, and it breaks it down step by step. Here's where things got really interesting. I made sales while I was actually working my job or my job. That was so exciting to me. The automations handled everything for me. The emails, the follow-ups, the product delivery, the website, it all was running in the background while I was focusing on my job. One day while I was at my job, I earned $1,200. When the first 600 came in, I was excited. When the second 600 came in, I was so excited because in my job, that is almost 2 weeks worth of work. And here I had made it in one day. The reason it worked though is because I had laid the foundation of just working little bits of time during my day. And so it started running automatically. Things were out there and going. And so that is the true system called passive income when it's running when you're doing other things. Even one or two automated sales a week can bring in hundreds or thousands of extra income per month. And because it's automated, you're no longer trading your hours for income. Automation is what makes this sustainable. And it's why I believe that anyone, no matter your schedule, can do this. At first, I did this in the pockets of my day. I did it before work. I did it at lunch. I did it after work. I did it in my car. I did it while going for a walk in the park. I made it fit the lifestyle that I wanted. Still wondering how this all works? I was too. I needed a lot of explanation. So please, if you're like me, go download the free Freedom Formula Blueprint, and it's going to walk you through step by step what is the plan of how this works and how it could work for you too. It's the exact step by step plan I followed to go from zero to earning online. Now, if you're thinking, I'm not a techie person, I don't think I can do this, let me stop you right. I'm over 65. I didn't want to deal with anything too complicated. I just wanted to earn extra income. This digital marketing system was pre-built for me. And if I got stuck, there was a whole community and mentor that helped support me and helped guide me through the steps. This is how I got to 8,350 in 1 month. I proved that online marketing and digital marketing with a proven system can. You don't need to be a coder or have design skills. You just have to follow the steps and then ask questions when you need help. If I can do this with my non-techie brain, then I promise you can too. Need a clearer picture of how this all fits together? Then download my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact same guide that I used when I got started. It's totally free. The link is right below. You might be saying to yourself, am I too late? Has the party already started? Has the trend already gone? My answer to you is a big no. We are just beginning, and digital marketing is still on a major trend upward. You can get in on it right now. Digital products and online learning are more in demand than ever. People are actively looking for all the solutions that we have to offer. I've had customers all the way from their 20s to their 70s. This opportunity is not limited to a certain generation. It is only limited by your desire and your willingness to learn. Whether you just want 600 for some extra income or you want 8,000 or more per month for some bigger goals that you have, this can be for you. My very first goal I had was to replace the windows in my condo, which is about $7,000. Well, essentially, I was the last person in the community to replace their windows, and they kept bugging me to replace the windows, but I didn't have the income. So when I started this, I thought this could be a solution for me to finally have the income to replace my windows. My first $8,000 helped me accomplish that goal, and I was thrilled that I was able to do that from my new business. Now I'm seeing clearly about how amazing this business, digital marketing, can be for people in their later years. And I'm ready to share my experience so others can benefit too. It's not about when you start, it's about starting. And so the faster you start, the faster you're going to start earning income online. If I can create $8,350 in 1 month with absolutely no experience, then I promise you, you can. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the biggest thing holding you back from getting started in an online business? Please comment below. I respond to all comments, and your comment may actually help someone. You are closer than you think to success in digital marketing. You're just one decision away from your own version of success. Now that you know how I earned over 8K with the done for you system, you might want to learn how I made my first sale with programs and products that I didn't even create. It all starts with watching this next video, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this next video, it's way more powerful. See you on the next video.